sort as a disappointment and we start feeling, am I good enough? Am I capable? Will I be able to do it? और ना जाने से कितने doubts. ये जो self doubt का एक कीड़ा है, it bites us whether we are starting a new job or taking a test or maybe competing in a sport, है ना? But good news, it's perfectly normal. Experts assume that 80% of the people in the world doubt themselves and their abilities. So you're not alone, but it's important to find ways to handle it before it comes between you and your success. And a certain low level of doubt is actually beneficial in the sense that it can keep you motivated to work harder towards your goals. And humility or humbleness is actually a very healthy character trait to have. But as soon as it crosses the line and starts hurting you, it's no longer beneficial. But don't worry, today I'm here to help you exactly with that. And I'm going to share with you 4 ways in which you can defeat these thoughts. So without any further delay, let's go straight into it. Number 1, opinions are not facts. Now, whenever you're trying to make a significant change in your life, such as maybe career change or a big investment, you must have heard this. Are you sure you want to quit your stable job? Isn't it too risky? What if you fail? What if other people are better than you? है ना? And especially when it comes from our loved ones and our family members, we cannot ignore these comments and their opinions. And sometimes we know that we are good at it, और हमें विश्वास भी होता है कि हम अच्छा कर लेंगे, but we still doubt our capabilities only on the basis of other people's opinion. And that's why ऐसे situations में it is very important to detach yourself from other people's opinion and focus only on yourself. The reality is you need to learn to live with the consequences of your decisions. And it doesn't matter whether you listen to your inner voice or anyone else's. No one will ever wear your shoes and walk your path. So they'll never be able to understand your situation fully anyway. So whenever you doubt yourself or your decisions, pause for a moment and ask yourself whether these are really your thoughts or are you relying on someone else's opinion. And maybe you don't need to change, but your environment needs to be changed. Because believing in yourself is much easier when you're surrounded by people who uplift you rather than tear you down. Number 2, do little and attract more. Now, whatever you feel or आप जो सोचते हो, आप जो feel करते हो, you can change that by changing your environment and the information that you consume every single day. If you're surrounded by inspiration and empowering content, you're naturally going to feel more confident. So in my case, when I have these negative thoughts, I usually start my day off by reading 15 minutes of inspirational book or quotes, or while I'm cooking, I listen to upbeat and positive music. So long story short, I try to constantly surround myself with positive and good vibes. And this is not toxic positivity, I'm just taking control of what I want to experience in my life at that moment. So if given a choice between being miserable and being happy, I'm of course going to choose the brighter side. Feeling confident is much easier when you take these small decisions which raise your vibrations and mood throughout the day. Number 3, do what you do good. Now, believing in yourself is much easier when you are doing things that you're actually good at. आप ऐसा expect नहीं कर सकते कि you'll feel great and confident while doing things that you dislike or really suck at. But if you spend the majority of your time doing things that light up your heart or soul, you're actually going to feel better and more satisfied because you're doing a great job at what you're doing. तो ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जिससे लगता है यार टाइम रुक गया? ऐसी क्या चीज़ें हैं जो दूसरों को other people find it difficult but you find it really easy to do. So whenever possible, try to do more of the things that put you in a flow state, जिससे लगता है यार टाइम कहाँ गया पता भी नहीं चला, है ना? और in life and in career in general, try to do things that you are really good at, because otherwise you'll only attract boredom, anxiety and all kind of negative feelings. Number 4, get out of your own way. Now, the majority of self-doubt is based on what you tell yourself about yourself, है ना? And you're in a constant conversation with yourself कि आज मैंने कैसे किया, क्या आज मैं fail हो गया, what did I achieve today, और ये सारी चीज़ें. तो it really pays off if you control those feelings of how you think about yourself and what you tell your mind about yourself. Being confused is okay, feeling insecure is okay, not being able to find a solution to a problem is okay. What is not okay is putting yourself down over it. Don't fight with yourself. There is no win in that. It's the problem that we have to fight against. And if used correctly, your doubts can actually turn into your strengths, biggest of your strengths, and you can actually learn a lot about yourself from that. But you have to make sure that these doubts and negative thoughts don't hold you back. So you have to get out of your own way consciously by changing your thoughts and actions from negatives to positives. So there you have it, folks. Thank you for listening to me. And before you go, I have shared a drive link in the description below. where I have a small collection of motivational, inspirational quotes that I found on Pinterest. So if you have time, do check it out. And otherwise, you guys have been awesome. Stay happy. Bye bye.